Hotel exclusive, created exclusively for Kimpton by Matthew Malin and Andrew Goetz. The Atelier Bloem Bath Body Collection uses botanical extracts and invigorating fragrances to amp up your bath routine. Restorative shampoo, gently cleanse and restore your hair with key ingredients like oolong tea, chamomile, geranium, ylang, and orange blossom. Strengthening conditioner, geranium helps strengthen hair while neroli soothes the scalp and boosts shine. Delightful scent, botanicals like geranium, chamomile, orange blossom, basil, green apple, and sandalwood deliver refreshing fragrance to upgrade your shower routine. Includes 1 Oolong Tea Shampoo, 16 ounces, and 1 Geranium Conditioner, 16 ounces. Atelier Bloem bath and body products are paraben-free, cruelty-free, and made without animal testing. Become obsessed with the amazing hair duo in our exclusive Atelier Bloem hair care set. Formulated with ylang, chamomile, geranium, and oolong tea, our Oolong Tea Shampoo gently cleanses and strengthens hair. Finish your hair care routine with our Atelier Bloem Geranium Conditioner and experience the shine-boosting, softening, and strengthening benefits of geranium, neroli, sandalwood, and cardamom. Add this set to your shower rotation for soft, shiny, healthy hair that looks as incredible as it smells. Designed by Malin plus Goetz exclusively for Kimpton hotels, Atelier Bloem products are paraben-free, cruelty-free, and made without animal testing. Set includes 16-ounce bottles of Oolong Tea Shampoo and Geranium Conditioner. Top reviews from the United States. Smells amazing. These smell amazing. They are ridiculously expensive and probably not worth it in terms of having a great impact on my hair, but wow, do they smell great.